Alright guys, welcome to another video, and
See
today,
you later.
what the, yo, bro, oh my god, bro, whatever, but yeah, so basically, I'm going to be showing you how to make a airplane for the mountains, and there's like a new mountain update there, so I'm going to show you how to build, okay? So first, you're going to need a box. This is what you're going to need first, okay? And now, you're going to get two goops, and now put them to the side like this, like that. And now you're going to need to get where is it? You're going to get two friend launchers. So you have to put like the seated area, like onto the goop, and just put them like straight. That looks. Hold up. Gotta kind of fix it. Alright, and now do it for the other side. And now you got these things. These are going to be important. And now you're going to need more goops. So you're going to have 4 goops on each side of these. So wait, where's goop? Okay, goop. Okay, now 2 more for the side. Yeah, that looks good. Yep, okay. Now do that for the other side. Actually, put that here. You gotta kind of keep them like apart, basically, I'm gonna show you. So now you got the goops here. You're going to add fans, okay? You got to, because that's what's gonna make it fly. Yeah, okay. So put a fan here. I'm gonna get. Oh shoot. Item cooldown. Yeah, that's gonna be a little bit of a problem. Okay, I guess I have to wait for my item cooldown to stop. Okay. It's bending forward, so it's harder to put that now. Yep, okay. Buy fans now. Okay, and now we'll put one more fan here for the side. And now that's going to look. Yeah, that's good. Okay. And now, so it's hard to do it because it's like facing forward. I have to put it like somewhere better for it to stay. Yeah, how can I make this thing stand? Maybe I'll just have to do that. We'll just have to deal with that. But anyways, get 2 more fans, and you have to add 4 fans to the sides like that. So you gotta put this here. I gotta make this more straight. Okay. And now add this one. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, and now grab 2 more. And now just gotta add 2 more fans. It's not going to always look perfect, but it'll still work like an airplane. Okay, and now add one more fan, and then we'll be done for this part. And all we have to add is something that'll make the fan 10 times faster. Yeah, like that. Okay. Now you have a working airplane. It works actually really good. I mean, it blocks some of the vision, but like not all. It is pretty big of a plane. So yeah, this is your. Oh shoot. Yeah, I might have to fix this. While I'm fixing. What the? Who are you?
Buckaroo.
Yo, guys,
How's it
what are you
going?
doing here? Yo,
What
bro.
even is that?
This
Bro,
is
I'm
my
just
code.
What is
doing a
that?
video. Yo, I'm just doing a video, bro.
Oh, cool. Okay.
I'm just showing people how to build an airplane. Is it okay if you could just get out this code, please?
Who's banned? Alright, just add a 1. Just add a 1.
Alright.
Wait, you have to
Alright, guys. So basically, while
type
I'm
in
gonna
it-
fix
type
a
it
little
in
bit of
again,
this.
and
Oh
then
shoot.
press a 1.
Bruh. Really? Why is this falling? Yeah, I'm gonna fix that. What the? Dude, what is going on? Okay, this is going terribly wrong. Yo, can this thing stop, like, flipping? Dude, okay, bruh, why does this gotta be so hard to build? Okay, if you want to flip so badly, then you could just do that. Gotta fix these. Okay, what? This thing is so hard to build, guys. Sorry, it's just taking really long. Yo, can this thing stop flipping forward? Oh my god, bro. Yo, what is going on with this thing? Oh my god, boo. This is making me real mad. Like, not happy. I could just put it like this. Okay. Sorry guys, this is kind of taking long. Please speed, I need this. You know what, bro? I might just have to take this off. And like, so... Are you kidding me, bro? Really? Okay, now I'll add this fan. Yeah, and now I can finally, okay. Yeah, it looks good now. Okay, now you're going to add one last thing to this build. And the last thing is going to be adding ray guns. Okay. Add those fans, and now you're going to add ray guns. You could add them like... you could always add them like here, but I think I'll just add them on top of the box, so... You're going to add 4 of them, okay? So you could like... Do that, do that. Okay, now we gotta add ray guns. And now, when these fans are turned off, make sure these are red mode because that's gonna be important. So basically, when you turn on the fans, you're gonna turn on the blue mode, which will make them. So basically, when you turn on the blue mode, it'll make you go flying. So 2 more ray guns, and this build is done for sure. And congratulations, you made your own airplane. Looks a little crazy. But now we're gonna test it out in mountains. Blocking some of my view, but sorry. So this thing is pretty loud, but we don't care about that. Alright, so this airplane, look how good it is. Yo, I'm flying. And when you use the ray guns, see, you even go flying. This build is actually really cool. And you can boost this thing with because of the ray guns, and it also makes this thing like fire, so it kind of makes it more cooler. But like look how fast I just went. Yeah, that was really fast actually. You know what? We're gonna try to do that faster because I haven't used the ray guns a lot, so I'm gonna do that. Wow, that's quick. Okay, let's see how fast that was. 25 seconds. Dude, that was quick. Bro, you can fly this thing everywhere. And even when you go high, it still goes really fast. And you can use the ray guns to go faster. Like in case like somebody tries to kill you. So yeah, I'm gonna go right now. Alright guys, so basically this is how you could build your own airplane, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope this helped you build a airplane. This build will probably cost a lot of money, but it'll be worth it when you build it. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, have a great day.